Are you an aspiring guitarist looking to take your skills to new heights? Do you find yourself in awe of the incredible solos played by famous guitarists, wondering how they achieve such mastery? Look no further. In this article, we will break down 5 epic solos by renowned players and provide you with valuable insights and techniques that will elevate your own playing. Get ready to unleash your inner rock god. Jimi Hendrix, All Along the Watchtower. Let's start our journey with one of the most iconic guitar solos in history, performed by none other than Jimi Hendrix. The emotional objective here is to captivate the reader's imagination and evoke a sense of wonderment at the sheer brilliance of Hendrix's playing. Why should you learn this solo? Because it showcases Hendrix's unparalleled ability to blend melody and technique seamlessly. By dissecting his approach, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how he used bending, vibrato, and phrasing techniques to create soul-stirring moments on the fretboard. How can you master it? Start by learning each section slowly and gradually increasing speed as you become comfortable. Pay close attention to subtle nuances like slides and hammer-ons, pull-offs that give this solo its distinctive character. Eric Clapton, Layla. Moving on from psychedelic rock virtuosity, let's dive into Eric Clapton's emotionally charged solo in Layla. Here, our unique rationale lies in tapping into readers' desire for their own playing to evoke powerful emotions. What makes this solo special? Clapton effortlessly blends bluesy licks with soaring melodies, creating an intense atmosphere that resonates with listeners on a deep emotional level. By studying his phrasing choices and note selection within each phrase, you'll discover how he weaves a narrative through his playing. How can you emulate Clapton's brilliance? Start by practicing the solo at a slow tempo, focusing on capturing the emotional essence of each phrase. Experiment with vibrato and bending techniques to add expressiveness to your playing. Remember, it's not just about hitting the right notes. It's about conveying emotion through your instrument. Eddie Van Halen, Eruption. Get ready for some mind-blowing guitar pyrotechnics with Eddie Van Halen's legendary solo in Eruption. Our emotional objective here is to ignite readers' excitement and inspire them to push their technical boundaries. Why should you tackle this challenging solo? Because it showcases Van Halen's groundbreaking use of tapping, harmonics, and lightning-fast legato runs. By studying his approach, you'll gain valuable insights into how he seamlessly combines speed and precision while maintaining musicality. How can you conquer this beast of a solo? Break it down into smaller sections and practice each part meticulously before gradually piecing them together. Focus on developing your tapping technique, alternate picking skills, and legato dexterity. Don't get discouraged if it takes time. Remember that mastery comes with consistent practice. David Gilmour, Comfortably Numb. Prepare yourself for an ethereal journey as we explore David Gilmour's soul-stirring solo in Comfortably Numb. The unique rationale here lies in tapping into readers' desire for their own playing to evoke deep emotions within themselves and others. What sets this solo apart? Gilmour's ability to create breathtaking melodies that resonate with listeners long after the song ends is truly remarkable. By studying his use of space, bending techniques, and tasteful note choices within each phrase, you'll learn how to craft solos that leave a lasting impact. How can you channel Gilmour's emotive style? Start by playing the solo at a slow tempo, focusing on capturing the subtle nuances in Gilmour's phrasing. Experiment with different bending techniques and explore the expressive potential of vibrato. Remember, it's not just about hitting the right notes. It's about connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Slash, November Rain. Our final stop takes us to Slash's iconic solo in November Rain. The emotional objective here is to inspire readers with the idea that they too can create memorable solos that stand the test of time. Why should you study this solo? Because Slash's melodic approach combined with his impeccable sense of timing and feel make this solo unforgettable. By analyzing his use of pentatonic scales, legato runs, and tasteful bends, you'll gain insights into how he crafts solos that are both technically impressive and emotionally resonant. How can you infuse your playing with Slash's magic? Start by learning each section slowly and paying close attention to articulation and dynamics. Focus on developing your bending technique to achieve those signature bluesy wails that define Slash's sound. Most importantly, let your own personality shine through as you interpret this masterpiece. In conclusion, by breaking down these 5 epic guitar solos by famous players, Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, Eddie Van Halen, David Gilmour, and Slash, We have provided you with valuable insights into their unique styles and techniques. By emulating their approaches while adding your personal touch, you'll be well on your way to taking your guitar skills to new heights. So pick up your guitar now and embark on a musical journey filled with passion, emotion, technical prowess. Become the guitarist you've always dreamed of.